Hello everyone, today I will show you how to grinding and polish an Ametrine gemstone on LDGEMS Faceting Machine V2. Step 1. Rough board to shape the stone on the 80 grinding disc. Step 2. Faceted grinding according to drawings on diamond grinding discs 600 and 3000. Cut finished faceter stone on 600 disc. Cut finished faceter stone on 3000 disc. Step 3. Polish with 0.5 polishing powder and tin plate. Polish finished stone. Tranfer DOP and finish grinding and polishing the pavillion with discs 600, 3000, polishing powder 0.5.